Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And if first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so kanina I was watching Tony Robbins sa kanyang isang motivational video. At I was so touched and I was so challenged. And I can't help it but to share it with you, right? Pero bago tayo mag-sharing, so sa lahat ng gustong magpa-coach online or personal about investment, how to start your e-commerce business, how to save the right way, and if you want to advertise your business, message mo lang ako 0939-5254-311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so para hindi tayo dumating sa point sa buhay natin na kahit marami tayong pera, magsisi tayo. Maraming tao na yumaman, naging successful, pero sa dulo sasabihin niya, I regret. May regret ako kasi. Something like that. Alright? So, may mga ganon. Or, mayaman pero sa dulo, na-depress. Diba? Or, mayaman naman pero malungkot pala. Gaya nung isang senior niya, may isang multi-billion company owner na tumatawag sa kanya, nagpapa-coach, successful sa kanyang business, pero something is wrong sa sarili niya. Something is missing. So, something like that. So, we don't want that to happen sa buhay natin. Ayaw natin na naging successful nga tayo and yet, we feel emptiness para may kulang. That's why it's important na malaman natin ngayong hapon o ngayong gabi, umaga, kung ano oras mo ako pinapanood, the two responsibilities or your two responsibilities to yourself. Meron tayong dalawang responsibilidad sa sarili natin. We just don't realize it. Hindi natin alam. Akala natin, isa lang responsibilidad natin eh. Akala natin, ang responsibilidad lang natin sa sarili natin, yumaman, maging successful. But no, meron pa tayo mga ibang responsibilities. And there is one very important, okay, na huwag natin kalimutan. Alright, so let's start with this one, na alam kong lahat tayo, we're working on it, we're dying for it, lahat gagawin natin para dito, and that's success or to become successful. Responsibilidad natin yan, sarili natin eh. Yung magtagumpay tayo. Yung mabagong buhay natin. Di ba? Sabi nga ni Bill Gates if you are born poor, it's not your fault, but if you will die poor, that's your fault. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi ka naging successful sa buhay mo, okay, nanatili kang mahirap, may kasalanan ka. Alright? So, responsibilidad mo talaga siya. It's our responsibility. Walang mali dyan. Hindi ko tinatanggal yan na kailangan mo maging successful. Kailangan mo maging mayaman. Okay? Isa yan sa responsibility mo. Don't forget that. Alright? Don't forget. Ano ba yung sabihin, Doc, pag maging successful? Well, sabi nga nila, maraming meaning ng successful. Pero para sa akin, ang successful, when you reach the things na sinet mo, yung mga goals mo. For example, eto ka ngayon, alright? Ito ang gusto mong marating sa buhay. In between that, when you reach this one, that's success. Alright? When you started having your own business, nagkaroon ka ng business, matagumpay, may profit, hindi lang basta negosyo. May mga negosyo kasi walang kita no? Yung basta pagod lang, pero wala namang kinita, di ba? So, wag lang basta pagod, tol. Kailangan may kinikita ka rin, okay? So, if you have business, maybe you are successful. Di ba? Yan naman, nowadays, ng pamantayan ng mga tao, di ba? And, if you have investment, kaliwat kanan, maybe, you can tell to everyone, I am successful. Alright? Kung meron kang tinatawag na financial freedom, that means, anytime na mangailangan ka ng 10,000, 20, 30,000, 50,000, meron, hindi mo na kailangan mangutang, umiyak, mga problema, di ba? And if you want to travel abroad, pwede rin, di ba? Meron kang gustong puntahan lugar, pwede. And if you want to buy branded things, high quality, pwede mo rin gawin, nakakotse ka and everything. That's financial freedom. Okay? If you have your own car, your house, you have fame. Di ba? Rockstar ka. Di ba? So, lahat ng yan, it boils down, or ito, under siya niyan. Lahat na yan kasama sa personal success. So, ito yung success na tinatawag. At ito, responsibilidad natin lahat. Okay? Responsibility natin. But that is not the only responsibility na meron tayo. Okay? So, just make sure dito, unti-unti, naabot mo to. Okay? Unti-unti, nagtatagumpay ka dito sa number 1, responsibility sa sarili mo. Alright? Second, na responsibilidad natin, yan. don't forget, okay? Don't forget to have self-fulfillment. Self-fulfillment. Sabi ni Tony Robbins kanina, don't forget success and don't forget self-fulfillment. Dapat pareho mo silang napagtatagumpayan. Pareho mo silang nagagawa. Pareho mo silang na-experience. Pareho mo sila dapat na nasasabi sa sarili mo, wow, I experienced success and I experienced also self-fulfillment. Alright? So, paano ba nangyayari? Ano ba yung self-fulfillment? Okay? So, ito yung mga sample natin. Self-fulfillment, these are the things na ginagawa mo para sa simpleng meaning lang or sa simpleng definition na lang tayo. Okay? Ito yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo na hindi laging may akakibat o kabayarang pera. Okay? Success kasi it's measured. It's measured kanina, sinabi ko nga, through di may negosyo. Sabihin na may measure mo siya through money. Okay? But self-fulfillment is different. It's different. Malayo siya doon sa success. Okay? Ito yung when you are choosing happiness over earning money, that's self-fulfillment. For example, simple yung occasion. Meron nag-invite sa'yo, December 24, okay? As a speaker, okay? Parang case study ko to As a speaker, they will be paying you 20,000. 20,000 for 2 hours. Kasabay nung December 20, family reunion nyo. Okay? Na hindi mo nakikita yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, hindi mo nakikita yung mga taong matagal mo na hindi nakikita. Or hindi na family reunion, class reunion na lang. Na talagang sobrang 20 years ka hindi nagkita-kita. Ngayon lang umuwi yung kalahati, nasa abroad. Diba? Ganyan yung mga senaryo At alam mo, sasaya ka pag nakita mo sila. Okay? Ang hirap, diba? 20,000 over kwentuhan. Over happiness. If you will be choosing happiness, attend ka ng class reunion nyo, that's self-fulfillment. Naging masaya ka You are able to get in touch with your old friends, old classmates, di ba? For 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, magkukwentuhan kayo. Anong nangyari? Di ba? Di ba? Namesa tayo, tumalon tayo sa bintana. Di ba? Nagkating tayo. Di ba? Ganito. Yung 6 hours, ang saya. Di ba? Over the 20,000. Kung nakatingin ka lang sa success, ang pipiliin mo, 20,000. But if you are looking at self-fulfillment, you will attend the class reunion. That's self-fulfillment. That's self-fulfillment. Alright? When you were able to choose happiness. Kasi ang saya mo Di ba? Or kahit, birthday ng best friend mo. Kasabay ng event. Hindi ka pa naman nakaka-yes. Ano yung pipiliin mo? The 20,000 birthday ng best friend mo. Di ba? Alright? Kuha natin. That's self-fulfillment. When you are choosing happiness over earning money. Alright? So, ang question ko sa iyo ngayon, ilang ganong situation na yung dumaan sa buhay mo? At pinili mo pa rin yung success. Pinili mo pa rin yung money. Pinili mo yung payment. This time around, evaluate. Try to see things. Baka hindi na maulit Remember, life is short. Shorter than you think. Shorter than you think. If you think you still have 10 years to live, baka hindi na 10 years. If you think you still have 5 years to live, baka hindi na 5 years Diba? Life is short. Shorter than we think. Hindi mo na makikita yung classmates mo. Hindi mo na makikita yung best friend mo. Choose happiness over earning money. Once in a while. Alright? Sometimes, you have to choose that. Okay? Alright, like one time, last December, last December, once lang, galing kasi meron akong best friend si Mama Mariby. Hi Mama Mariby. She's also my assistant when she were here. When she was still here, siya assistant ko and everything. So, nag-motivate sa akin, can do it, and nag-edit ng vlog ko, nag-ayos ng mga pag nag-shooting na tayo ako sa vlog. So, then nung pauwi siya ng December, ang dami nagpapakuha, kumuha sa ice speaker. Padating siya, once lang siya dumating. But I will not regret, kasi mas pinili ko to be with her. Yung 2 weeks, others offering me this for that seminar, pero sabi ko, once lang baka hindi na mangyari Diba? Like this December, di siya uwi, diba? So, try to evaluate. Pahalagaan ng self-fulfillment. Because one of the components of self-fulfillment is being happy. Being happy. Alright, next, do your passion. Don't forget to do your passion. Bagamat like sinasabi, it's not about your passion, it's about the needs of the community. But sometimes it's about your passion. Once in a while. Like ko rin sinasabi sa vlog ko, once in a while, you do things kahit hindi ka binabayaran, basta masaya ka. Babanggitin ko ulit, ilang beses ko na nabanggit to. Meron akong keynotes. Ang dami niya ng pera. Dok, okay na ako, I'm okay. Anong next kong gagawin? Sabi ko sa kanya, gawin mo na yung gusto mong gawin na hindi mo pa ginagawa before. Diba? You do your passion. What is your passion? Ano ba yung gusto mo talagang ginagawa? Gusto mo magsulat? Gusto mo mag-drawing? Diba? Isingit mo siya sa schedule mo. Gusto mo mag-guitar? Mag-dance? Diba? It's a busy world. You're busy in your schedule. Don't forget your passion because that's self-fulfillment. Yung gusto-gusto mong ginagawa. That's your passion. That's self-fulfillment. Para hindi tayo ma-depress. Pwede dumating yung time na sabihin mo, wala na akong time, di ko na magawa. Gusto ko sana mag-trekking, gusto ko magpunta sa bundok, maglangoy and everything. That's your passion or that's what you like to do. You do it. That's self-fulfillment. Self-fulfillment. Once a month, pwedeng gawin. Di ba? Right? What else? Be with people you love. That's self-fulfillment. May mga mahal tayo sa buhay, di ba? Nandiyan sila eh, nagkalat eh. Pero sometimes we're thinking na nandiyan naman sila eh, di ba? Next time na lang. Yun lang, baka, sabi ko nga, life is short, shorter than we know. Shorter than we think, we expect. Di ba? Be with the people you love. Ilang beses ka na bang nakasama ng family, ng friends? Nasaan sila? Nandiyan lang eh, Doc G. Parang one time, sometimes I'm also guilty with this. Yung old friends ko kasi, lagi sila nag-invite, di ko sila pagbibigyan. One time sabi sa akin nung isa, o sige na nga, basta alam namin, nandiyan ka lang. Yan, sabi ko, nandito lang ako eh, nandiyan lang sila eh. Nandiyan lang yung mga true friends ko talaga eh, nandiyan lang eh, 10 minutes drive. Nasa isang school lang sila eh. Di ba? So, siguro one time I'll visit you. Di ba? Reflection. Alright, next. Value relationships. Value relationships. Ano nyo? When I started my vlog, ang dami nagpapa-advertise na everything. Minsan meron kami mga terms na hindi nila natutupad, mga conditions na hindi nila natutupad. I don't want to burn bridges. I don't want to, I still prioritize relationships. So, kinakausap ko sila, kung konting pera lang, usap tayo, wag tayong mag-away, okay? I value the relationships. I value the friendship. I value the business partnership na meron kami. Kung konting depresya, delayed ng everything, it's okay. It's fine with me. Kung pera lang yan, it's okay. It's okay. Value relationship. Minsan, 1,000 lang eh. Ang tagal mo kaibigan. Diba? Sinumpa mo na eh. 1,000? 10 years kayo magkasama just for 1,000? Hindi lang minsan naka-attend ng dibu eh. Diba? Minsan, tagal natin magalit. Diba? Sabihin natin, hindi ko siya nakausap, Doc, 10 years na. Anong dahilan? Di umatin ng birthday ko. Oh my God, baka naman may sakit siya. Baka merong valid reason. Did you ask her? Did you ask him? Ba't di ka umaten? Diba? Ikaw nga ba? Dapat may responsibilidad eh. Tanungin mo muna, di ba? Value relationship. Bago yung tampo. Bago yung pera. Kaya alam nyo, pagka old friends yun na, sobrang old friends na talaga kayo, huwag kayong maghiraman ng pera eh. Ang hirap kasi. Di ba? Ang hirap nagiging pag pinasukan kayo ng pera. Value relationships. That's self-fulfillment. When you have many people around you, happy people, positive people, na nandyan sa paligid mo, mababait na tao, that's self-fulfillment. Surround your people with successful people and also surround yourself with good people. Good people around you. Old people, but good people, old friends. Right? Doing your ministry, that's self-fulfillment. Alam niyo, marami na akong Christians na nakita. Tumalikod sa ministry. Inuna ang trabaho, inuna yung success, work, and everything. Walang nangyari. Kailan lang, last week, we were having dinner with our pastor. Hi, Pastor Abner. Sabi niya sa akin, kasi may mga, hindi ako natin ng events. Sabi niya, remember thy Creator in the days of thy youth. Di ba? Remember God. Remember your mission. Remember your ministry's church. That's self-fulfillment. Self-fulfillment. Diba? May isang pastor na narinig ko, nag-testimony siya. May offer kasi sa kanya, meron siyang side job as a pastor. Mahal ang bayad sa kanya every Sunday. So, may mga Sundays na hindi siya nakaka-attend. Pastor siya. So, meron siya pinupuntahan. And you know what? Baliwala din, nangawala. Yung perang nakukuha niya doon. It's self-fulfillment. It's mission. It's ministry. Minsan, kahit madami ng pera, pag tinanong mo sarili mo, what is your ministry? What is your mission? Nagawa mo ba? Ano yung ministry mo sa church? Nalimutan na natin yung first love natin. Nalimutan mo na yung mga pangako mo kay Lord. Diba? Self-fulfillment. Habulin din tayo ng ministry natin eh. Hindi ka rin makakalit. Sa Diyos din tayo babalik, diba? Alright? So, delivers 2 important responsibilities sa sarili mo. Don't forget that. Don't forget, meron kang responsibilidad sa sarili mo na maging successful. Alright? Have your business, fortune, diba? Sa buhay, wealth, investment, car. It's okay. It's okay. Okay po yan. That's my advocacy. Pero isabay mo ang self-fulfillment. Choose happiness. Be with the people you love. Diba? Value friendship, value relationships. Don't forget your ministry. Don't forget your mission in life. Alright? So, if you want to know more about this, Doji, paano ba yan? Ano ba yung gagawin ko? Naguguluhan ako, nalilito ako. Again, I told you, I can be your coach. Pwede mo akong tawagan, i-text para magkausap tayo online or personal. 0939-525-4311. Yan po ang aking number. Alright? So, this May 4, nasa SMR tayo for coaching and IMG. Ito tayo sa IMG. Alright? So, don't be too busy for success. Be busy also for self-fulfillment. Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW, dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!